Here's how you check the IMEI of a phone. The reason you want to do this usually is before you buy a phone, you want to check to make sure that the phone is not blacklisted. You want to make sure it's either unlocked or available for the carrier that you use. To get started, let's hop into the settings and then go to General and then tap on About. At the bottom of this, we will see the IMEI number right there. It's a 15-digit code. It has spaces in it. We have to deal with that in a second. Just tap and hold on it to copy it. Go to Google search or any search that you want. Type in IMEI check and you see a bunch of Google results. There's a lot of them. I use the one called IMEI check the most. You can use multiple as well, or whichever one you prefer. All of these will have a search bar that you enter the 15-digit IMEI code into. So I'm going to tap into there and tap again to get the paste option. Now I'm going to delete all the spaces and then hit check IMEI. Must be 15 digits, you entered 13. So when I copied and pasted, because two of the digits were spaces, it just cut off the last two, which in this case are 6, 7. Sorry about that. My kids got that in my brain. Okay, so we tapped in there and now we're going to add the 6 and the 7 and then hit check IMEI. Now it's working and we see the important things. Let's see, where are they? Carrier unlocked, US blacklist clean. Sweet. The carrier unlocked means this phone can be used on any carrier, and the US blacklist clean means it's not blacklisted, meaning there's no hole in the phone, it's not reported as stolen. You can use this phone. So if you were to buy this from me, you would rest assured that you'll be able to use it on a carrier of your choice and it's not blacklisted. And that's all the data there is from this website. You can go to other websites and try other things and see other information, but really that's the most important information you need when you check the IMEI. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to make sure your phone is not tracking you, because by default, iPhones track you. Turn off the settings in this video to stop that from happening. I'll see you on that video.